You can see the market here is calling the Fed's bluff. They're pricing in a 0.25 Fed rate hike opposed to a 0.50. It's your boy Soap Guys TV Millie. I'm back with another one. We're going to be talking about a Dogelon Mars macro environment update, Bitcoin update, what I'm looking at as far as altcoins. And if you like these updates on the crypto and macro environment from your boy Crypto Millie, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Also, let me know, is this a bull run? Is this a relief rally? Or is this a fake out? Let me know inside the comments. All right, so let's get into the video. You can see here the market is like, look, man, you can't keep rating, you can't keep hiking these rates. Okay, it's just impossible. We keep credit debt at an all-time high. This, that, we got China potentially reopening that could cause more inflation. We'll get into that, and just a lot going on, a lot of outside noise. And in the midst of that, we're seeing Bitcoin still pump, Ethereum still stay strong. In fact, I would say as of right now, Bitcoin is one of the strongest coins out there. Just looking at some of the altcoin charts. I also like to look at the VIX here and kind of like get a idea what's going on. Usually when you see the VIX going up, people tend to look for buying opportunities, and when you see the VIX going down, people look for selling opportunities, taking profits. So the market is just everywhere right now. You can see if we zoom out, some of the best times to buy crypto was when you've seen true capitulation and max pain. Now, there is an argument, family, that we haven't yet seen max pain. Most people think that we'll see the max pain when the Fed officially cuts somewhere between March and April. But the Fed said they plan on going on with this the full year. You know what I mean? Not, maybe they pause, and I just don't see how they can just continue to hike these rate hikes continuously for the rest of the year. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I'm seeing a lot of people in just regular life struggling, man. I was talking to a few of my close buddies, man, and they was just expressing, how things is tight. People looking for second jobs. People applying for ways to make passive income. So I'm seeing the strangle on liquidity, and that was the whole issue that I was trying to pretty much figure out, is where was the liquidity coming from? Is this pump that we're seeing in the crypto space manipulated? And even in the traditional market, you can see here, Coinbase, family, is still ripping. Over here we like to pay attention to the DXY. It's sitting at 102, family, and if we look at it right here on the weekly, you can see that it is clearly in a downtrend. So the DXY here is in a downtrend and has yet to broken the downtrend. You see that strong green candle on the 13th, but it just wasn't enough. Well, the 16th, but it just wasn't enough. Also here, we're getting really, really close to that 100-day moving average here. Should I say SMA? Still above it, barely. But you can see here the RSI for the DXY is curling back up to the upside. Still below the yellow line, but curling up to the upside. So could we be seeing a bullish divergence forming? We'll just have to see how everything plays out. That would be extremely bearish for the market, because we know if the DXY and RSI curls up, then we may be seeing another move to the upside above this moving average, which would be bearish for crypto, but bullish for opportunists looking to still get in. I've been seeing a lot of people complaining, Millie, I need more time. I need more time. Well, if the DXY curls back up, don't complain, because then you'll have more time to accumulate great tech at a low price. All right, do your own research, find good projects, you feel me, or just like and subscribe. That's all you got to do. But yeah, curling back up, DXY still above this blue line. We'll keep an eye on it, family. The tether dominance has wow, people are really buying Satoshis, man. Look at the Tether dominance, family. It has dropped to 5%. I haven't seen the Tether dominance at 5% in a while. So, just doing a macro update here, you can see, man, that people are starting to deploy their liquidity into the crypto space, into Bitcoin, into altcoins. I want you guys to pay attention here why Bitcoin dominance right now is so strong. You can see technically this is the best time to start DCAing into altcoins. Now, for the people that miss the DXY top, well, then you're gonna have to beef up your DCA, not financial advice, because you don't have much time left if we are at the cusp of a reversal and headed into a bull cycle. So you can see here, we're in Bitcoin season, and it's showing, family. Bitcoin has been strong, and his history, tells us the best time to buy altcoins is when we're in Bitcoin season. You don't buy altcoins in altcoin season. You sell your altcoins, okay? You take profits up here. You load up down here, because what do the Bitcoin people do? They do the opposite. Inverse this chart, okay? They load up on Bitcoin in the altcoin season, and they load up on Bitcoin, and then they move the money into the altcoin season, into altcoins. You get what I'm saying? It's the same thing. Once they take profits from their altcoins, they put their money in a savings account, which is Bitcoin. Store value. They take their profits from altcoins and you put it in the store value, which is Bitcoin. So revolving door there, you just got to understand how the crypto space here works. Taking a look at Bitcoin chart, it is extremely strong here on the 2 hour. You can see we just got a flip on the RSI above the yellow line here. Almost not yet overbought, so we could see another push, another knock at that door, a 21.4. We really need to break 21.4 for Bitcoin to be bullish, because nothing is stopping us from 27K and eventually 30K if we can get past this 21.4. And remember, family, Kevin O'Leary said himself, Bitcoin will not get over 22K without regulation. And it just seems like, family, at 21.4, we just keep hitting the same wall. It's just interesting. It's an interesting concept, right? Looks like a bull flag here. If this is, you could take the flagpole here. You can call this ascending triangle, whatever you want to call it. But you could take the flagpole here and kind of like predict the next move. And that looks like a major move, family. So the volume's still in the green. We'll just have to see how things turn out when the traditional market actually opens here. I didn't take a look at the traditional market, but I believe a little bit of red. But it is bullish that the SPY here is still over 4,000. Let's actually check it out here. Yeah, the S&P right here, still over 4,000. Market looks like it wants to open in the red, but that's not too much red there. So again, we'll just have to see. Taking a look at Dogelon Mars, you can see a not as similar chart to Bitcoin. So you'll see that the altcoins here are a little bit more bearish. A lot of people right now are running to Bitcoin because they're getting that FOMO. When Bitcoin gets low, big dogs, the whales, the real wealthy people, they want to try to get as much Satoshis as possible at around those low levels. So we're seeing some of those profits from altcoins go back into Bitcoin. As Bitcoin rises, we'll see some of those profits from Bitcoins roll back into altcoins. You can see here a perfect pattern here, man. Just Elon just trading in between this wedge here and just bouncing off the 382, which is 6032. So we did a fib from the upside to the tops, from the bottoms to the tops, and we've been just bouncing off the 382 right here. Looking like we want to form a pattern now. We got to just see how this thing plays out. Are we going to move to the upside? Right now the RSI is floating under the yellow line, which is a little bit bearish, but maybe we put in a bullish divergence, cross over this yellow line and head to the upside. It just depends on how the traditional market opens up, and we'll just have to see if Bitcoin continues to stay strong. But look at this consolidation right here at 603. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is what crypto is about, family. Just perfectly bouncing off this 382 and forming this pattern right here in between this wedge. So altcoins not looking as strong as Bitcoin, but exactly how it's supposed to be, seeing that right now the Bitcoin dominance is a little up and we are in Bitcoin season. So I expect people to take them profits from Bitcoin and put it in altcoins because they know the real bag is made with those altcoins, baby. You know the real bag is made with the altcoins. The last thing I want you guys to focus on here is the weekly charts. Again, sorry, this video is kind of long. This is a macro update. So these are the weekly charts, and to be frank with you, family, we are still in a downtrend. So just keep that in mind. Like we can't say we're bullish until we break this downtrend. And as you can see right here, we still are forming a lower low. We have to break this neckline here to confirm a reversal. Okay, so we're still in a downtrend. You can see here, we zoom this in. You know, we haven't broke the downtrend, even though it got real close. We're printing a red candle here for the week on Elon, so we didn't technically break the downtrend, and that's what a lot of people saying. A lot of people saying we didn't technically break the downtrend, so maybe this was just a nice little relief and fake out, but still didn't break the downtrend here on Dogelon Mars weekly. So still got a lot of work to do. For the people that was asking, well, Millie, is it too late? No, it's not too late. You got an opportunity to accumulate. We'll be talking about it on the channel, and we'll bring a few more ideas and narratives that you can look into. Also here, Bitcoin, a little different story, family. Now, this is where the story actually gets interesting. Bitcoin here looks like it actually wants to break the weekly downtrend, which would be huge for the crypto space. If Bitcoin can somehow break this weekly downtrend, it would be huge. It's right there. It looks like it wants to break it, but you know, this candle is so small, we can easily wick down and it could just be a fake out. You know what I mean? But I don't know, family. Let me know in the comments. Do you think that we broke the downtrend right here? It looked very, very close. Let me zoom in a little bit more. It looked very very, very close. It looked like Bitcoin broke the weekly downtrend, which could be extremely, extremely bullish. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. This was the crypto macro update. Dogelon Mars, Bitcoin. We'll just have to see how Bitcoin does, man. It will determine the altcoins and our favorite meme coins. Be looking for updates throughout the day. It's your boy SoulGuys TV Millie. Like, subscribe, leave a comment.